If you're looking for ways to make money online with your website, you're in the right place. Welcome to our video on 10 ways to make money online with your website. In this video, we'll introduce you to a variety of business models and strategies that can help you turn your website into a profitable venture. Let's get started with an overview of different online business models. One of the most popular ways to make money online is through affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. Dropshipping is another popular option, where you sell products directly from a supplier to your customers, without ever having to hold inventory. Create and sell online courses on a topic you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Freelancing is a great way to use your skills and experience to provide services to clients online. Display ads on your website to generate revenue from visitors. Create sponsored content, such as articles or videos, for brands and businesses. Develop and sell digital products, such as e-books, printables, or software. Create a membership site where users pay a monthly subscription fee to access exclusive content or services. Offer consulting services to businesses and individuals in your area of expertise. Accept donations from your audience to support your work and content creation. Now that you know about these different ways to make money, here are a few tips to help you succeed. Choose a niche you're passionate about and have knowledge in. Create high-quality content that your audience will love and find valuable. Promote your website through social media, email marketing, and other channels. Be patient and persistent. Building a successful online business takes time and effort. That's it for our video on 10 ways to make money online with your website. Choose one or more of these methods, start monetizing your website, and take your online business to the next level.